Hi guys, if you want to buy this Optoma GT2100HDR compact short throw laser home theater and gaming projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. If you've been dreaming of bringing the movie theater experience into your home without filling the room with oversized equipment, this projector deserves your attention. The Optoma GT2100HDR combines a compact design with powerful performance, making it a great choice for movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a massive display without the hassle of a traditional television. Its short throw design allows you to project a huge image while placing the projector only a short distance from the wall, making it ideal for smaller rooms where space is limited. One of the first things you'll notice is its incredible brightness. With an impressive 4,200 lumens, this projector delivers a bright and colorful picture whether you're watching during the day or at night. You won't need to completely darken the room just to enjoy your favorite content. Sports broadcasts, action movies, streaming shows, and even presentations remain clear and easy to watch, even when there's ambient light in the room. The projector features native 1080p Full HD resolution, producing detailed images with excellent clarity. It also accepts 4K HDR input, allowing you to connect modern streaming devices and gaming consoles while enjoying improved contrast and more vibrant colors. HDR support helps bright scenes pop while preserving detail in darker areas, creating a more immersive viewing experience. For gamers, the GT2100HDR offers an exciting way to experience your favorite titles. Whether you're racing through high-speed tracks, competing online, or exploring open-world adventures, playing on a massive screen adds a completely new level of excitement. The large projected image creates a more engaging experience that makes every game feel bigger and more immersive. Another major advantage is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp projectors that require expensive bulb replacements after a few thousand hours, laser technology provides exceptional reliability with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. That means years of entertainment with minimal maintenance, making it a smart long-term investment for your home entertainment setup. Installation is refreshingly simple. Thanks to the short throw lens, you can place the projector close to the wall and still enjoy a giant image. This reduces cable clutter, simplifies positioning, and makes it much easier to fit into almost any room. The clean white finish also blends well with modern interiors, giving it a premium look without drawing unnecessary attention. Connectivity is designed for today's entertainment needs. Whether you're connecting a gaming console, streaming stick, Blu-ray player, laptop, or media box, switching between devices is quick and convenient. This flexibility makes it easy to enjoy everything from blockbuster movies to business presentations using a single projector. Color performance is another highlight. Images appear rich and vibrant, with natural skin tones, deep blacks, and bright highlights that bring content to life. Whether you're watching animated films, live sports, documentaries, or YouTube videos, the overall viewing experience feels sharp, colorful, and enjoyable. Overall, the Optoma GT2100HDR offers an excellent balance of brightness, convenience, image quality, and long-term value. Its combination of full HD resolution, 4K HDR compatibility, laser illumination, and compact short throw design makes it a strong option for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. If you want a projector that performs well for movies, gaming, and everyday viewing without requiring a dedicated theater room, this model is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in adding the Optoma GT2100HDR to your setup, be sure to check out the purchase link in the description below for the latest pricing and deals. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.